Hello guys, my name is Balkrishna Srivastav and welcome to Code with PK. So in this video, we write a Java program in JavaFX, a Java GUI in JavaFX, where we can display different shapes of different colors. So when we finally run this code, we get something like this. If I choose rectangle, I get rectangle, triangle, I choose green, blue, yellow, I change the shape to circle, rectangle, orange, change the shape to triangle again, and we get something like this. Okay. So before we begin, it is a request to please subscribe to my channel, because out of 100 views, only 3 or 4 are subscribed. More than 95% of my audience is not subscribed, and a subscription is very important. So please do subscribe to my channel. So this is going to be a JavaFX app. So we have to say extends application. Okay, and I will have to add this start method. Okay, this is the primary stage. Okay, I add a main inside string args, okay, and I call launch. Okay, so let me just set dot show. Okay, so when I run this, I just get a very basic window, nothing inside, right? Okay, now what do I want is something like this. Okay, I want a window like this. Okay, I want a label here. Okay, I have a box here that contains two combo boxes. The options to choose shapes and colors. Okay, and we'll take a few colors just as you saw in the sample app, and this is the show shape. Okay, and this is the message. Okay, this is something what we want in our view, in our window. Okay, so what happens is in JavaFX, this is a stage. Okay, compare this with if you have ever seen a play, okay, on a stage. So there are different scenes on the stage, and that is how this JavaFX is made, right? So one stage can have multiple scenes. So in our case, we just have one scenes. We just update the shape based upon the color, okay, and change the color. Okay, so this is the stage. Okay, on this we have scene. Okay, and then the scene contains the controls. Okay, so what are the layers that we will use? So we will consider this entire scene as a vertical box. Okay, vertical box. Okay, entire scene as a vertical box. Now this vertical box will contain two horizontal boxes. This is my first horizontal box, and this is my second horizontal box. Okay, so h box 1 for the label, and h box 2, okay, for this combo box and controls. Now this h box 2 will contain two v boxes. Okay, one left v box that will have these two controls, and one right v box that will contain the shape. Okay, so this entire thing is a vertical box. It has two horizontal boxes. Okay, so you can think of this as one v box, one h box, another h box. Okay, h box 1, h box 2, and then left v box within this h box, and then right v box. That's all we did. Okay, so I'm going to write a method private scene generate scene. Okay, I'm not going to write the method name as create scene, does not sound very nice. Okay, now this scene will be the scene that will set to this stage. So I'll say arg0 dot set scene generate scene. Okay, all right, so my the main layout is a v box. Okay, the first h box is to contain the label. Okay, the second h box contains two v boxes. Okay, the left v box contains the combo boxes, okay, from which we can choose the color and the shape. The right v box contains the shape to be shown. Okay, and then we add this first h box and second h box to the main layout, which is this v box, and we return the scene with this v box. So create and return. Okay, so I say v box. Okay, main box is new v box with a gap of 10, and when I return, I'll return new scene. Okay, parent is this main box. We have width as say 300 and height as 300. Okay, the first h box contains the label, so h box 1 is new h box, and I add a label to this. I'll say h box dot get children dot add new label. Okay, with the text choose a shape and a color. Okay, I have second h box 2 equals to new h box with a gap of 10. Okay, and this main box, okay, add the two h boxes to the main box. Okay, so main box dot get children dot add h box 1 and main box dot get children dot add h box 2. Okay, let's see what we get. Okay, choose a shape and a color because that's the only visual part that we have added. Okay, now let's set this label at the center. Okay, so I will say h box 1 dot set alignment pos dot center. Okay, so this label will now come at the center. Okay, and I'll add some padding so that label comes a little below, right? I'll say h box 1 dot set padding new insets. Okay, so I create an inset with one single value, so all will get the same padding. Okay, so I'll say 20. Let's see. Okay, comes here. Okay, all right, now we have left v box and right v box, so I'm going to say v box left v box to new v box, say gap of 10, v box right v box. Okay, v box gap of 10. Okay, and we add both these to h box 2, add the left and right boxes to h box 2 dot get children dot add left v box get children dot add right v box. Okay, let's see. Okay, now let's create this left v box. Okay, I'll say combo box, okay, of type string. I'll say combo box colors, I'll say shapes first, shapes equals to new combo box. Okay, I will add three shapes dot get items dot add. I will say rectangle get items dot add circle and add triangle. Okay, similarly we create a combo box to hold colors. I'll say combo box colors. Okay, I'll say combo box colors. Okay, I'll say red, green, I'll say blue. Okay, and to this left v box I'm going to add these combo boxes. Okay, so left v box dot get children dot add combo box shapes and combo box colors. Okay, now let's see what we get. Yes. Okay, let's add some padding. So left v box dot set padding new insets. Okay, I'll say 20. Okay, and I will add a border to this left v box as well. So left v box dot set style. All right, so you see we have a border now. Okay, we can move this border further inside by adding padding to this h box 2. So I'll say h box 2 dot set padding new insets, right bottom left, so top I want 0, bottom right 10, left 10. Okay, all right, looks much prettier. All right, I can choose these options. Okay, I want to keep the first item selected in both combo boxes, so select first in both combo boxes. Okay, combo box colors dot get selection model dot select first item. Okay, similarly combo box shapes, we have shapes first. Okay, now when I run this I have the first value selected. Okay, let me add this border to right box as well. Okay, so I'll say right v box dot set style. Okay, all right, but right VBox does not have any control. That's why it's visible like this. Okay, so I'm going to add another function for public void show shape. Okay, I will say VBox in right VBox in the box to show. I'll say string shape name. I'll say string color name. So you have to add to this right VBox a shape with this color. Okay, and the three shapes we have are rectangle, circle, and triangle. Okay, so we say if shape name dot equals rectangle, else if shape name equals circle, else if shape names equals triangle. We can get the color as color, okay, which is java.fx.paint color is a color.web from this color name. Okay, so creating a rectangle, we say rectangle equal to new, you have to pass width, height, and color. So I'm going to say width is going to be 80, height is going to be 50, and color is going to be color. Okay, and I'm going to add it to right vbox dot get children dot add rectangle. Right, I do similar for circle. I say circle equal to new circle. Okay, radius is going to be 50 and color is color. Right vbox dot get children dot add circle. For triangle you have to create a polygon, so I'll say polygon triangle equal to new polygon and the list of the points. Okay, so I'm going to say double x1 is 0 and y1 is 0. I want one of the vertices at 0 and 0. Similarly we do x2, x3, y2, y3. Okay, so I can do this 40 and 0, and you can do this 0 and 50, 0 and 50. Okay, and you pass x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, right? And right vbox.children.get add triangle. Okay, let's show some shape. We'll hard code this. I'll say show shape. Okay, and I'll pass a right vbox. I'll say show circle with color red. Okay, so I should get a red circle, right? Let me just increase the width and height 400 by 400. Okay, so this is not in the center, so what we can do, we can set hbox 2 dot set alignment. So I run this comes in the center. Okay, let me add more padding to right vbox. Right vbox dot set padding new insets 20. Okay, all right, looks much better. We can decrease the width and the height now, so you can say we can go back to 300 and 300, 300 and 300. Oh, we can increase the width to 400. Okay, but we don't see any change. Rectangle, rectangle, rectangle. Okay, spelled correctly, right? Okay, going back, but we don't see any changes because we have not added the control, the code to handle changes in the combo box. Okay, the listeners when the combo box value changes. So what we do is we say add listener to combo boxes. Okay, combo box shapes dot get selection model dot selected item property dot add listener new change listener, okay, of type string, because we have the type of combo boxes as string, add unimplemented methods. So this is the new value arg2. Okay, so what you can do, you can call show shape, pass the right vbox. Okay, pass the shape name which is arg2 and color name which is combo box colors dot get selection model dot get selected item. Okay, right, so this is the code that will handle the change when we choose a different shape in the combo box. Okay. Similarly, we can have combo box colors dot get selected item property dot add listener new change listener string. Okay, and implement methods. Okay, same show shape right vbox. Okay, arg2 is the new color. Okay, and the shape name, which is combo box shapes dot get selection model dot get selected item. Okay, so let's just run this now and see. We get errors, I'll tell you why. And when we change this, we keep adding to our current list of shapes. Okay, triangle is not being added. Okay, we need to fix triangle as well. Why we are adding multiple shapes? Because we are not removing any shape from the right v box, we are just adding it. Okay, so before we add any shape, we clear the right v box. We say dot get children dot remove all right vbox dot get children. Okay, so now only one shape will be visible. Circle, green, blue. Triangle is not added. Rectangle. Okay, circle. Next is, why do we get this error? Now this error is because this error is called here line number 100. You will see. So if I remove this, I go to line number 100. Okay, and this is because when this code is being executed, this is actually calling the change listeners for selecting the item in the combo box, which is basically this code. Okay, this is the code that handles the changes in the item selected in the combo box, and this is returning combo box color selection order dot get selected item. So when this code is called, there is nothing being selected on combo box colors, so this will create null. Okay, okay, string color name is this thing and pass color name. Okay, so if color name equal to null, okay, I'll return. I'll not do anything, and just for our case, so that we know we have an error being generated here, I'll say error handled. Okay, so error handled. Okay, no error now. Red, green, blue. Okay, and we don't need this. Okay, now why don't we have triangle? Are we, I guess this will not form a triangle. So 0 0, x2 is 40, x1, x2 y2 is 40 50, x3 is 0 y3 is 40, 0 0. And this should give me a triangle now. Yeah, now triangle, but the triangle color is black, it is not red. Why do we have a black triangle? Or because you are not setting that color for the triangle. So triangle dot set fill color. Okay, now when we run this, okay, rectangle is red, color is red, circle is red, color is red, triangle is red, green, blue, triangle is rectangle, circle. Okay, adding a couple of more colors, say yellow and orange. So yellow and, okay, running this, I have yellow, I have orange. Okay, and when I run this, I am shown a rectangle, I am shown a circle even though rectangle is selected, because I was hard coding here, which I will remove. I get a rectangle, red, no errors, circle red, triangle red, green, yellow, blue, yellow, orange, change the shapes, change the shapes. Okay, alright. So this was the code to create the very basic app to show shapes of different colors. In the next video, we'll see if we can change the dimensions of the rectangle. Okay, currently we are hard coding the dimensions of rectangle, circle and triangle, right? And we'll try to see if we can add custom colors. Okay, right? This was the code, and I hope this was helpful. So if there is a part you don't understand, or if there is something which is not clear, so please let me know in the comments. I always try to answer all your comments, and you can always let me know in the comments if there's a question you want to solve, or if there's a concept you want me to discuss. So please let me know your thoughts about this video. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.